Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by choosing the right brush and heat so you don't damage hair. Use a medium-sized styling brush for shoulder-length hair. Set a lower temperature and increase if needed. Section hair into manageable parts and clip the rest away. Start with the bottom sections first and place the brush under the hair, near roots. Pull gently while rotating the brush toward the ends. Once done with one side, move on to the next section and keep consistent tension. Now you shape and refine each section to get the exact look you want. Wrap a 1-2-inch section around the brush and apply steady heat while turning the brush in the desired direction. That creates bend and volume. Make sure to pull slowly for smoothness or pause briefly for a tighter curl, then slide the brush through to the ends. Once done, use a cool shot or the cool setting to lock the shape. Make sure the root area receives the same attention for balanced volume. Finish by smoothing and setting the entire style so it lasts. Apply a small amount of light hold spray or serum to mid-lengths, then give the whole head a quick cool blast to seal cuticles and reduce frizz. Comb through gently with the brush once to blend sections, and check balance in the mirror. If you see frizz or flyaways, make sure you reduce heat next time and use a tiny bit of anti-frizz serum. That usually fixes it without redoing the whole process.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.